We are doing the third step of cell respiration, which is the electron transportation chain. And this is happening in the inner membrane of the mitochondria.
We have an NADH that drops its hydrogen on protein number 1 and goes back to the previous cycles.
Protein 1 pumps the proton on and the electron to protein 2.
Protein 2 passes the electron.
Proton 3 pumps the proton and passes the electron.
Protein 4 passes the electron.
Protein 5 pumps the proton and passes the electron to oxygen.
A proton gets added to oxygen to make half water.
Protons diffuse to achieve equilibrium and synthesize ATP in the process.
And we stop because we're at equilibrium, 3 protons on each side of the membrane.
And FADH2 gets passed over to proton number 2, drops off its hydrogens, and goes back to the Krebs cycle.
Protein 2 passes its electrons on to protein 3, and then the hydrogens become protons.
Protein 3 passes the protons and passes the electrons.
Protein 4 passes the electrons.
Protein 5 passes through a proton, and then electrons pass to oxygen.
2 more protons get added to make 1 water and another half water.
A proton gets diffused through to make ATP, and then another proton gets diffused to make another ATP, and now we're at equilibrium.
Okay, so now we have about 1.5 waters, some equilibrium, and a bunch of ATPs.